welcome back to our another DIY videos. I'm Lavi, creator of Ikson store. So today I have a very special surprise for you. Ta-da! So I'm gonna show you the process how to make this beautiful neck piece in this video. A bit different than this, like this is the pearl necklace, right? So it will be a different. I'm gonna use I'm not gonna use these pearls. I'm gonna use some pastel beads. Okay, these beads I'll be using for the neck piece. Okay, and these are very beautiful beads. Bow will be of this color, blue crystals. These are blue crystals. See, it will match definitely. Okay, so let's get started. This is the nylon tray for making the neck piece. So I'm gonna do this till the midpoint. Okay, so I will do this till the midpoint, and here we will add a different bead. So we reached the midpoint of the neck piece. Now we're gonna insert one golden or silver which will match. So I'm gonna use one silver beads here in the midpoint where we will make the bow. And don't you think these beads look like a marshmallow? So here in the midpoint we will insert this silver bead. And again we will start with inserting these marshmallow beads. Choker is ready. Now we are ready to add the bow here. Blue crystals. So I have added these beads in this wire like this. So first we will make this first round here in the silver bead. So this part is ready, one bow is ready, then we will make the other half like this. So we are in the finishing stage of the bow choker, and till now we have good so far. So now we are gonna make the second tail of the bow. And here I'm adding beads, and even in the end of the tail you can give some good pearl things, like you can add some pearls, or even you can use some beautiful charms also if you want. But I will think what I'll do. Let me know if my video is helpful for you to make. Let me know in the comment box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's complete. So now I'm gonna end this with the stopper here. So our bow choker is ready, and let me know in the comment box how it looks like. I will post videos wearing this choker in my Instagram, and the link I will post in the comment box. So let me know if you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for the next interesting video. Which one you like the most? Let me know in the comment box. Ta-da!